Red Raider families, welcome to Parent and Family Relations. In today's video, we're going to show you how Texas Tech's University Career Center can help your students succeed in their career journey, from finding jobs to preparing for life after graduation. The University Career Center is here to support both students and alumni. Whether they're looking for internships, full-time jobs, or preparing for graduate school, we have resources available to guide them every step of the way. To start, let's look at the Career Center's homepage, which is packed with useful resources like on-campus job listings, professional document writing, and employer engagement opportunities. Students can schedule individual appointments with Career Center advisors to get personalized guidance. Whether they need help with resume writing, interview prep, or career assessments, our team is here to help. Current students can log into Raider Success Hub to schedule appointments. This tool allows them to easily book a time with a Career Center advisor and access a wealth of career resources. Throughout the year, the Career Center hosts career fairs and employer info sessions, where students can meet potential employers face-to-face. These events are a great opportunity to network and learn about available job opportunities. Is your Red Raider not sure what career path to pursue? They can use the What Can I Do with This Major resource to explore different career options based on their major. The Career Center also hosts events focused on building professional skills, like etiquette workshops and mock interview sessions. These events are designed to help your student feel confident and prepared when they enter the job market. Don't forget about the Career Closet, where students can find professional clothing at no cost to them, ensuring that they look their best for interviews and career fairs. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the Career Center directly. You can call at 806-742-2210 or email at careercenter@ttu.edu. Lastly, as your student prepares to graduate, make sure they complete the first destination survey to let Texas Tech know their post-graduation plans. Whether they're starting a full-time job or heading to graduate school, we want to hear about their success. Remember, all Career Center students are available Monday through Friday through 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Students can schedule appointments online through Raider Success Hub, or alumni can call the front desk to book their session. We look forward to helping your students succeed at Texas Tech University. Remind your Red Raider to take advantage of all the resources available to them while they're here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Reckham.